Next. What's next? Oh, the blue one. It's so cute. Is it gonna put water outside or what? I want to see how cool it is. Just take the scissors. That's a... Wait, that's any... Is that... Ew. What the heck? Ew. Why does it look like... a thing with mustard and ketchup and mayonnaise and vanilla and blueberry and blue ice cream. Okay, time for the pink one to cut it. And then he will cut it, and then that's the pink one. That's so funny. What's inside the green one? The green? Early, yeah, it was the green. But how the sound gonna be like? A broccoli, or not a broccoli. Okay. That's disgusting sound I ever heard. That sound looks like diarrhea when they're making a pee and poop. Okay, I got this, and I love you, mommy, and I love you, Kaka Yusuf, and I love you, Kaka J, and I love you, Sophia, and I love you, Mama, and I miss you, Papa, and I love you. Whoa. Ew. That's the disgusting I ever heard. Oh wait, that's so cute when they're making the cheese sound. That's not, but that's color. I see colorful. Okay guys, I know you don't know that language, but it's from the Philippines and Kuwait, I think. And that sound looks the same. Now it's time for the blue.
تعرفوا على محمد اللي يحب الروبوتات وشيخ العلم.
Sorry guys, it's okay, there's one quiet. That's a big cut. Look at this now. The white one? The white is gonna be so cool. That was the funniest sound I ever heard. Oh, sorry guys. Start this again. What? Oh, not like this. Can you stop rubbing it? It's not time for rubbing it. That's the loud rubbing. Just open it. Just not make the like. Did you just almost throw it? Wait, he didn't throw it. Cool one. Okay, you got this. Wow, that's how it ends. There's more. Bye bye guys.